This tutorial will show you how to turn on and change or turn off applying color filter on the screen for your account in Windows 11. On Windows 11, color filter is an accessibility feature that helps to improve the vision of elements on the screen for user with vision problem. For instance, for user with color blindness, the feature can help distinguish the different color on the screen and improve the content's visibility for users with light sensitivity. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to change color filter in Windows 11. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Settings. Click on Accessibility. Under the Vision section, click the color filter page on the right side. Turn on the color filter toggle switch to enable the feature. Choose one of the available filters. Once you complete the step, the filter will apply to the computer to help you see element on the screen more clearly, depending on your vision needs. Hope you understand. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.